Welcome to TribeTopper and in the series for Algebra for MYP 4 problem solving question 2. Ellie is now 1/4 of his father's age. So let us assume that father's age is X. So if father's age is X, then Ellie's age is 1/4 of X. In 5 years' time, his age will be 1/3 of his father's age. Now, after 5 years, the father's age would be X plus 5. So father's age after 5 years is X plus 5 and Ellie's age after 5 years would be 1/4 of X plus 5. But the relation between this age is that this age of Ellie would be 1/3 of his father's age. So 1/4 of X plus 5 is equal to X plus 5, 1/3 of this. So we solve and we get 1/4 of X minus 1/3 of X is equal to 5 by 3 minus 5. And this gives us, so minus X by 12 is minus 10 over 3 minus cancels. X is equal to 40. So if father's age is 40 years, then Ellie's age right now is 1/4 of that. So that is 1/4 of 40, which is 10 years.